got all my herbs today, and I'm gonna try to grow jalapenos. So we'll see how that goes. Ooh, is it gonna, ooh. My camera actually won't focus on me.
Is it broken?
Wait, it's not focusing on me.
Oh, that means
We have to stop watching Sam and Colby videos.
Okay.
Why actually? What the heck? Is my camera broken? Okay, that was weird. Now it works again. If there's any ghosts in here, you're not welcome. Please leave. We've been watching too many scary videos. Okay. Hello. It's Saturday. Last night, I made really good miso soup. I really did. I've never liked it from a restaurant, but the one I made last night was the Healthy Girl Kitchen recipe, and it was fire. So I just wanted to tell you all that. And this morning, I tried the Chamberlain coffee, the single serve cold brew where you just put it in water overnight in the fridge and then you drink it in the morning. It was pretty good actually, so I'm really happy with that. And then I went and got all my herbs, and I got one regular plant. So last year I tried doing herbs. I just did like one plant of each, and I did okay with them, but I didn't know that if you like pick most of the plant, it like doesn't grow back. So this year I went a little crazy and got a little bit more. And I also got a jalapeno pepper plant, which I don't know if I'll do a good job of keeping that alive, but I'm going to show you all the plants. Why can't I open our door? The first one here is I have one of these is spearmint. Oh, that one's spearmint, and that one's mojito for mint. This is the jalapeno plant. I hope I can keep it healthy, and I hope we can grow some jalapenos. I was gonna do tomatoes, but I thought that would be too tricky. We have a stevia plant, chives, two different kinds of thyme, just regular thyme and lemon thyme. In this one, I have 3 basil plants. Yum, I can't wait to make pesto with that. And then in here, these are a little bit falling over, but this is cilantro. I have 2 plants this time because last time one of mine just like wasn't doing, or the one I had wasn't doing well, so have that. So hopefully I can keep those all healthy because I do love me some herbs. Okay, I need to add some more planting soil, potting soil to my pothos. So I'm gonna go do that quick. I have to leave you behind for a minute. All right, bringing my pothos to the doctor. I know this is probably not the best way to do it, but this is the way that's worked for me. So I'm just gonna kind of pile that in there. And then okay. Gorgeous. Let's bring you back inside. We also tried to go to this thing called Art Whirl, where there's a bunch of different vendors and they have all their different like art things they make, but there was no parking, so we did not do that. We had to turn around and go back. But then we went to Northern Soda, which is this little soda place, and we got a little 6-pack of different kinds. We got Mississippi, which is like Dr. Pepper, birch beer, which is, I don't know what it actually is. It tastes like spearmint root beer. Watermelon lime, and their root beer, which is, I forgot what it is. Some kind of root beer. What was the difference? Do you remember, Tatum?
Collaboration with the zoo, I don't know.
Okay. And then we also got like the last pack of their almond cream, which is so good. I wish they had it all the time. But yeah. Anyway. Now we're gonna get ready to go out to eat for a friend's birthday. We're going to Granite City. I've never really been there. Hopefully they have good food. Ready to go bike ride. Look at my hair. Slay. Say what up. Okay, the last time I was on here, we had just gotten back, or no, we were just about to go on a bike ride, and we ended up going on a 10-mile bike ride, and we were just like toast the rest of the day, and just kind of like hung around the house and went to Target and got a few things. But yeah, we were very tired. Also, my hair is so just like, I hate washing my hair because this is what happens to it. It gets like poofy, so I need to go straighten it in a little bit. But anyway, it's the next weekend now. So that bike ride was on Sunday. Now it's Saturday. And tonight we have a friend's birthday party to go to. And it's kind of fun because we're supposed to dress up like a version of him, like an era of him. So we have picked out outfits from points in his life, and we're gonna dress up like that. So I'll show you those later. And yeah. I think Cody and I are going to pull another date card from our date card deck and do that before we go. And it should be fun. Tomorrow we're going to the State Fair kickoff weekend, which should be really fun. So I'll take you along for all those things. But right now, I'm hating my hair. It literally looks horrible. Okay, it's the next day. The lighting's bad in here. And I have myself a banana latte. It's so good. I just used the Chamberlain coffee cold brew, and I blended it with a banana, a frozen banana, 2 dates, almond milk, cinnamon, and salt. It's a Healthy Girl Kitchen recipe, and it's so good. Okay, we're going to the kickoff at the State Fair. I'm excited. We have to leave actually in like a half hour, so I gotta get going. I gotta get dressed. I gotta get all ready. But I just wanted to come on here. Okay, bye.
Sayers Giant Slide. All adults and children must have a slide. And thank you for returning to this giant slide.
Imagine a share.
Welcome to Sayers Giant Slide. All adults and children must have their own tickets and please have your tickets ready upon approaching the ticket taker.
Is Rogan gone
There
yet?
is a sliding mat.
Did I miss her?
No, she's up there in the far corner.
Okay.
Do not run, but walk. Pregnant women and persons with back problems should not ride this ride. Please, no food or drink is permitted on this line. And thank you for returning to this giant slide.
How was it?
Fun. Okay, I know the dishwasher's running, but I'm gonna show you guys these things quick. Let's go in this room so it's quieter. I'm gonna show you a couple things that I got in the mail. One thing that I already accidentally put in the wash before I could show you was a hash slinging slasher shirt. SpongeBob, which I'll show you another time once it's washed. But I got these SpongeBob earrings from Box Lunch. Pretty patties, jellyfish, the flowers. This is like, it's a Krabby Patty and a spatula, but what is this? What actually is that? Let's investigate, because I actually don't know what that earring is. And if I don't know what it is, I feel that, oh, there's jellyfish nets. I didn't even know about those. But what's this? Oh, it's the bubble elephant, but when Patrick says it's a giraffe. It's so funny. Wait, that's so funny. I love that. Okay. Okay. Cute. Love. And then I got this shirt, which I think is hilarious. Gary the Snail. What does that say? Born to Race Championship Racing Series, the Great Snail Race. In the back it says Born to Race Gary the Snail. I don't know. Thought it was cute, and it was like super colorful and fun. So, love that. That's also from Box Lunch, and I bought it in a size large, which honestly, I think the sizes run a little big, but that's okay. I could wear it with like, oh my god, what? I just looked at the screen and I'm like all the way down here. I could wear it as like a dress is what I was going to say. And then from Etsy, I got this shirt that I think is hilarious. The reason I got it from Etsy is because Box Lunch was sold out of their Schmitty Werben Jaegerman Jensen shirt, so I got it from Etsy, and I actually really love it. This is also large. It's kind of see-through, but, you know, it is what it is. And then from the fair thing we went to today, so basically it was just like a very mini version of the fair with just certain vendors available, which, by the way, the donut was there again. There's this Peachy's Baking Company that makes an Amish donut, and it's the best donut ever. It's so good. The line gets crazy long. We got there right when we walked in, right when it opened, and we only had to wait like 5 to 10 minutes. But otherwise, you can end up waiting like hours. But it was delicious. Got cheese on a stick, corn dog, foot-long hot dog, deep-fried pickles, pickle pizza, Minna Snowy shaved ice with sweetened condensed milk on top. We got Vietnamese iced coffee, so good. We got sambusas and some Somali spiced tea, which was delicious. What else? We got Sweet Martha's cookies, cheese curds. I don't know, we probably got other stuff, but that's what I remember. Very good. Lots of fun. It rained a little bit, but it wasn't bad. And then, but there I found, for some reason I couldn't pass these up. There are these pajama pants that are like Minnesota themed. So it has, so like ufta, has tater tot hot dish, and that casserole pan that literally everyone's grandma has. Sweet Martha's cookies, except for they put yum cookies on it. They probably couldn't write that. Mittens, a loon, a fish, Paul Bunyan, You Betcha, and then like trees and lakes all behind or in the background. And I thought those were really fun. Oh, and there's one more thing that Cody grabbed like impulsively at the end, and I'll show you. It's really cute. It's this Minnesota shaped ice tray. So can make Minnesota shaped ice cubes. I think that's so fun and like unique. So gonna be drinking some drinks with that in it. Oh, it's very fuzzy. I gotta wash it, but yeah, anyway. That's everything. Thank you, bye.
Top secret.
It was gonna be a movie one, and then there was no movie, so it's just a snack one.
Japanese beef jerky. I haven't had these in forever. These are good. These are like the bite ones.
I don't know. I just
They look
found
like
them.
they're like bite size,
Yeah.
which is good. Cinnamon toast crunch. This will probably be delicious. And Sunny Delight. How delightful.
I've never heard anyone call it that. You bought 4 mushrooms? They're so cute. And then salt and vinegar chips, my favorite. Ooh, sweet and spicy jalapeno. That sounds good. Ooh, salt and pepper chips. Good. Reese's. Yay, crosswords. I was hoping you picked crosswords, but I didn't want to give you the answer. Thank you.